What's up, Glam fam? If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, honey. If you're already a part of the Glam fam, I'm gonna need for you to comment down below, okay? Because I want to know who you are, where you're watching your girl from, why you're watching me, what brought you here in the first place. Let me know that down below. What was your first introduction to my channel and to who Maddie is, okay? Because that's what I want to know. What brought you here, okay? What brought you here? That's what I want to know. What makes you enjoy my channel? Let me know that down below in the comment section, because if you ain't commenting, you ain't supporting. If you ain't liking, you ain't supporting. And I want to know who my real supporters are. I want to know who's really a part of the Glam fam and down with the get down. Okay, baby? Okay? Alright. Okay. Let's get into today's video. So, for those of y'all that do not know, I was recently a part of modern day slavery, allegedly. And I lost a lot of weight. I'm talking about, child, when I started my job at Amazon, which, by the way, I'm making a series on that right now. When I started my job at Amazon, I went in and I was 150 pounds, you guys. 150 pounds. By the time that I quit my job there, I was 100. Oh, child. I don't even want to say this, but I was like 130 pounds. Okay, you guys. I want to say 130, 125. Yeah. I lost a lot of weight during my time working there. And I believe, like as I've explained it, it was because of the constant cardio. You know, you sweat a lot working in a warehouse. And I was constantly moving around. So therefore, in turn, your girl lost a lot of weight. Because I know how to pick up weight. But if I don't properly maintain it, it falls off like water. That's just how my body works. Okay, it's just how my body works. So being there, I started losing a lot of weight, and that was another reason why I had to leave, you guys, because I was like, you know, I can't have this. I can't be losing weight at such a rapid pace like this. Number one, it's unhealthy, and also not only that, but your girl feels her best when she's a little thick, okay? When I'm a little thick, okay? So I have not been at Amazon for almost a month now, and I've managed to pick back up most of my weight, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly how I have managed to do so, because woo, child, it has been a long time coming. Baby, let me tell y'all, I never thought that I would lose that much weight working there. But I heard all the stories like, oh my gosh, you're going to lose a lot of weight, blah, blah, blah. But I was like, that's BS. Like, how the hell am I going to lose weight that fast, okay? So, let me start with the ways that I have been gaining my weight back, okay, you guys? Because it has not been a walk in the park for your girl, but I have managed to pull it together, to get myself together, and to kind of get on track to getting my body yada back, okay? So, the first thing that I have been doing is, you guys, I have started back eating more, okay? When I was at this job, it drained me so damn much that I wasn't even making time to eat. I really wasn't even thinking about food, you guys, because you have one 30-minute break and two 15-minute breaks. The only time that you're really going to feel comfortable eating, or even nibbling for that matter, is during the 30-minute break, okay? Because that's when you really have time to sit down. They say it's a 15-minute break on the other two, but you guys, you're trying to be back in that building maybe in 12. Yeah, you probably have a 12-minute break at most, which is modern day slavery, like I said. But anyways, you guys, so those two breaks I was not eating, and on that 30-minute break I would finally kind of eat a little bit, which still wasn't the amount that I would typically eat, because your girl can eat, okay? I can eat some food, I can eat some food, and baby, that's just it, okay? So that's how I kind of picked up my weight in the first place, right? But since I was there, I was sweating and I wasn't eating as much calories as I was losing. And you know, in order to maintain a certain weight, you of course have to be putting in more calories than you are letting out, of course, all right? So I wasn't having a high calorie surplus at all, so the pounds were falling off. Your girl started to look like a crackhead, no lie. One dude actually came up to me at Amazon and he said,
"Oh my gosh, you used to look so pretty when you first started working here, and now You look totally different.
And I'm like, wow, thanks for telling me. It's because you guys have been working me to death around these parts. But thanks for letting me know, okay? So anyway, that was that. So that has been one of the ways that I've been picking up my weight again. I just eat more than what I would typically, okay? And well, more than what I would when I was working there. I eat a lot more. And of course, I'm at home now. I work from home, so I'm able to eat as much as I please and, you know, not have to worry about being back in the building in a few minutes, okay? So that's that. So moving right on along, another way that I've been picking my weight back up is I leaned on Ensure, okay? I started drinking Ensure, okay? This was the way that I was starting to get like all the calories that I needed also, other than just food. And this was also the way that I was kind of having like a meal replacement. So when I wasn't really able to eat, let's say if I'm doing something and I don't really feel like eating, but I kind of want to, you know, still pick my weight back up at the same time, I started drinking Ensures, and they kind of helped me along that journey, okay? So Ensure definitely helped me. And you guys, I ended up ordering a whole box full to ensure that I don't run out of Ensure, okay? So this is what I have been having, and let me tell y'all, it has definitely been helping your girl out to drink these, okay? Now these contain 9 grams of protein. They also have 220 calories, and they have 27 vitamins and minerals. This also has 3 grams of fiber. So this was extremely helpful to me to have this, to drink this, and you know, it helped me a lot on my weight gain journey. This is in vanilla, because y'all know I ain't even too fond of the idea of trying no more of them. These aren't even that good to me, but I did what I had to do in order to pick those pounds back up. So this right here, check it out down below. You can order in bulk from Amazon, so I will leave these linked down below for you guys if you are interested in getting your Ensure on, okay, to ensure that you pick up a few pounds, because baby, this is needed during a weight gaining journey, okay? Point blank period. Or some type of protein drink, shake, whatever. Now, another way that I've been able to pick my pounds up is I just simply stopped moving around as much as I was. After I left that job, you guys, my body was so worn and torn out anyways that, honey, I couldn't help but to stop moving around as much, okay? So I was able to sit my behind down, which was what I did, and I was able to pick up a few more of my pounds. So now that I'm picking up my pounds, honey, I'm okay with the idea of working out again. I'm okay with the idea of moving around again. But at that time, I just was not willing to do any of that because, baby, I was trying to pick my weight back up. And I didn't like the fact that I had become so slim in this a short amount of time, okay? I lost all that weight in literally like a month, you guys. A month and a few weeks. So, you guys, that's another way that I started picking my pounds back up. But the thing is, you guys, I still have a very fast metabolism. That is why it's possible for me to gain weight, but it falls off extremely fast. These are a few of the things that have definitely helped me in order to be able to pick some of those pounds back up, because baby, I don't know what I would do without these things that I have been consuming, okay? They have helped me out so much, okay? So I'm going to leave Ensure down below. If you're looking to pick up weight, definitely make sure that you try to eat more foods than what you typically would. You want to have a high calorie surplus, and that is one of the things that is going to help you to pick up some pounds faster, because baby, your girl was hurt, okay? Your girl, when I say I was hurt and I was looking like I was hurt, baby, I was hurt. So now my weight is coming back, and I really appreciate, I am so thankful. I am so thankful for my ability to have gained this weight back. But nonetheless, you guys, I hope that y'all found this video enjoyable and helpful. I have not taken any other supplements outside of these things because, honestly speaking, I've been too lazy too, baby. I just want to let you know, I've been too lazy. I have not felt like taking any other proteins, and I ain't felt like making a smoothie. I have not thought about making a smoothie. I ain't made a smoothie since I started working at Amazon. Point blank period, okay? But anyways, you guys, that was all that I wanted to share with you guys. I'm your girl Maddie, sharing with you amazing different things here on my channel. Whatever, girl, if you want to subscribe, okay? Let me know down below, what's your weight gain or weight loss journey like so far? How is it moving along for you? And if you ain't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe by hitting that big red button and also that post notification bell beside, so you won't miss out on none of these amazing uploads. Okay, all right.